Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and this video is all about perfume dupes. Now, a lot of you guys always ask me for affordable perfume dupes, and this video we're going to be doing just that. So I have this set from Moody right here, the perfume set, and if you own this, you won't need to go around looking for other perfumes, I feel like, because they have pretty much all of your favorite notes covered in this one. So they have a perfume for everyone, every occasion and every mood right here. So Moody Perfumes have up to 8 hours wear time and EDP with 20% fragrance oil, which makes it more concentrated and more long wearing than most perfumes in the market. So first of all, I absolutely love this packaging. I like the color scheme and everything. It just is so attractive, and this would make a great gifting option for anyone for various different occasions. It looks like a nice plush gift. And when you open the box, ta-ta, this is what the actual perfumes look like. This is what the actual perfume bottle looks like. It is so luxurious, yet it comes with a very affordable price point, and they are travel friendly as well. So you can carry it anywhere, anytime. And I know right now you're curious about the scents and you want me to talk about that. So let's get started. The first one we have right here is called Woodland Blossom. The notes on this one, which I'll leave right here on the screen, makes it like a very nice, fresh, everyday kind of a scent. Something that you'd want to wear to work on days where you want to be active. I feel that's what this perfume smells like. And the notes on this one is like passion fruit, peony, lily of the valley. All of this makes it a very great alternative to cult favorite perfume, that is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I know a lot of you guys love that perfume. I love that too, and I'm so happy that this one smells quite similar to that, and I have a great affordable alternative to that one. I mean, I have the perfume of that one. I also have the body mist, and I feel like this smells so similar to that. Love this one, and if you love that and you were looking for an alternative, you can definitely try this one out. So the next one we have is the variant Strawberries and Champagne. Like, look at the packaging of this, so cute. So every time I sniff this one, I'm in a romantic date night sort of a setup in my mind. So that's what it takes me back to, something very like, you know, sweet, floral, fruity, romantic setup. So I feel like it's like a sweet gourmand scent, because I'm not sure if I can get a hint of vanilla in this as well, but like when you put this one on, I would want to say you smell delicious, but not like in a bakery kind of a scent, not like that way, but you would smell delicious when you wear this. The most like feminine, playful, fruity, floral scent. And this perfume, I feel like, is very similar to the Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal perfume. Like, if you happen to have a chance to sniff that one, it smells delicious, and it's out of stock pretty much everywhere. And what they have in stock is So Scandal, which is also quite similar, but I feel like it's a little bit more intense in terms of like the floral notes, but this is like very mellow but amazing scent. I put it on my wrist, I put it all over my clothes. My outfit will obviously hold on to this one a lot more. It just smells amazing. I cannot seem to put this one down. It has a little bit of jasmine scent to it, the middle note of it, and it settles down to sort of like a peach scent as well. So if you're someone who's newly married and you wanted a scent for your wedding day or your honeymoon, or something you just want to turn into a very sweet memory, a lot of us associate scents with memory, right? So if you want to like always remember those beautiful days and you want it to be very memorable, you should definitely try this one out. Every time you sniff this, it will take you back to that beautiful day. Nobody can exactly put down, like, you know, name what you smell like, but maybe the word that would come out of their mouth would be delicious, or you smell like a meadow, or you just smell really nice and fresh. You know, all of these scents are fresh, but maybe like that, you know, like very feminine, fresh meadow, but a little bit of like sweetness, delicious scent. So that's how you would smell off when you're wearing this particular perfume. I have been wearing this every single time I'm going out with my husband for our date nights, our special occasions. And also you can spritz it at the back of your neck, so that every time you're like moving and like the wind is blowing through your hair, you would still smell really good. So definitely do try this out. I think this would be a very popular favorite scent for a lot of people. Next up, we have what is called Tropical Vanilla. This is a pretty straightforward scent for all the vanilla lovers out there, of course with a hint of coconut and musk. I feel like this could be a pretty good alternative to a lot of vanilla scents, which I can't like exactly jot down. So I also felt like it could be similar to YSL Libre perfume, but YSL Libre does have a lot more of a floral hint to it. So what I feel like when I sniff this particular perfume is it's a very comforting scent, which I feel like a lot of vanilla scents do that to you. You know, it's like a very sweet gourmand fragrance again, but it's also very comforting. And every single time I sniff this, I feel like I'm comforted. It's that feeling when you are with your favorite person, you're spending time with your favorite person, or you're just spending time with yourself doing things that you love. You're comfortable, you're just happy, you're in your zone. That's what this smells like. Like, it's just a beautiful scent for like a chill, slow day, a beautiful, chill, slow day. Last one that we have is called White Musk and Rose. I feel like the scent of this one is very similar to Zara Gardenia, but maybe the notes are not exactly similar. Like when you just sniff it, I feel like it is quite similar to that. So this is something I would wear on a long, active day, and it would just make me feel a lot more energetic and fresh. That's the kind of, like, you know, a zesty scent this is. If you had a long day of running errands and you still have to meet people and you want to smell really good, this is the one that I would reach out for. This is a very fresh, woody, earthy scent with a hint of powderiness to it as well. So that's the reason I mentioned that it's quite similar in my opinion to Zara Gardenia, if you own that. And also I think YSL Libre perfume. I think YSL Libre, not Black Opium from what I've sniffed, but I think Libre, it's quite similar to that. So yeah, there's not a single perfume in this set that I cannot reach out for and I can say, you know, I don't really like that, because everything is crafted and put together so well. It's blended so well. There's nothing that is overpowering. Each of these scents would remind you of something really beautiful, remind you of something, you know, some occasion that you can definitely wear this to. And that's the reason I mentioned that, you know, this would also be a great gifting option, because a lot of people will really appreciate it, and you can also try it out for yourself if you are in the mood to try out new scents. You want to be adventurous, you just want to try out, test out new perfumes. Definitely do look into this one. Given the wear time and everything, I absolutely love it. If you're someone who feels like, you know, perfumes are not long lasting enough on your skin, always spritz it on your fabric, and fabrics holds on to the scent for a really long time. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will make sure to link this in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.